Managing maintenance is key to keeping your business productive. One of the most powerful approaches in this area is known as preventive maintenance. Preventive maintenance consists in regularly checking your assets and systems to avoid breakdowns before they happen. There are 3 types of preventive maintenance. Systematic maintenance operates by scheduling checkups on an asset at fixed intervals. Conditional maintenance kicks in when sensors detect early signs of failure. Finally, predictive maintenance takes things even further by using sensors and predictive analytics templates to accurately forecast potential failures before they occur. These approaches allow tailoring maintenance to the real needs of your assets, and they require the implementation of a preventive maintenance plan. CMMS is an essential tool for putting preventive maintenance into action and allows to automate data collection, scheduling, and spare parts management. To sum up, preventive maintenance is the best way to avoid unexpected issues, keep your assets running smoothly, and thus ensure your business productivity.